I know you're tired of loving, 'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're back with another hair video after my little hiatus. Okay, so this wig is from ISHOW Hair Company. Their playlist is going to be at the top of other textures that I've tried from their company, and the details that I'm about to mention and some that you know, maybe I forgot to mention, it's going to be down in the description box. So like I mentioned, it's from ISHOW Hair Company. This was supposed to be a deep wave texture, but it's giving me curly vibes, so I'm going to hit up the company and just double check that they sent me the right wig. I will leave their answer down in the comment section. That's where I leave the updates on the units. So just make sure you guys are checking the comment section just to see if there's any update and to see what the company said about the curl pattern. So it is 24 inches, 180% density on a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Comes with adjustable straps, combs in the inside. You guys are probably seeing that right now, or you're about to see it any second on how the inside construction of this wig looks like. So I installed this wig very easily. I used the Got2b glue hairspray and I just dried it with a fan. I would not do that if you're going to be outside in the summer heat, okay? Because that wig is going to slip right on off and you about to be looking big-eyed, looking at people, okay? Look at you. Real weird. So if you're gonna be out in the heat, I would suggest using something stronger like a glue or something like that. But since I'm indoors at my house, who cares? So yeah, that's why I decided to use a light hold spray with installing this, and it was very easy. I used my contour powder to blend it in with my skin tone. I was a little lazy with the baby hairs, so don't look at it, okay? Don't look at the baby hairs. I did plug this unit to prep this wig, and I put some concealer. Yeah, my concealer in the parting space just to finesse it so I didn't have to pluck the parting. But other than that, that's really all that I did. Okay, so the density of this wig was 180% density, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and I will say it's giving me 200% density vibes. I am loving the thickness of this unit. I'm loving putting my fingers through it, making it bigger. I'm just a type of woman that likes big hair, okay? So the bigger the better, and this is just giving me all types of life. So, you know, if you guys have tried this wig from this company, leave a comment down below so the other girlies who are thinking about purchasing from this company can have more input. And guys, when you're leaving your comments, or if you're somewhere else leaving comments about hair, talk about how the company treats you as well, because you guys want to spend your money when, you know, a company is treating you fairly, okay? Not being shifty or shady. You don't want to be dealing with companies like that. So it's really important not to just get info and input about the hair, but also like how the company treats its customers. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
I know you're tired of loving,